Apple Watch is my favorite tech device ever. Unfortunately, the standard built-in workout tab is pretty basic and does not offer any special features for runners. In today's video, I will show you probably the best run tracking app for your Apple Watch, the Nike Run Club. This workout companion is packed with a lot of cool features like guided runs and custom trainings. The Nike Run Club can truly open or reopen your enthusiasm for sport. But before starting the actual video, I just want to show you this amazing view of Paris. I'm running here every day. Nike Run Club is available both on iPhone and Apple Watch. The app's primary focus is to help users track and improve their running performance while offering various features and functionalities to enhance the overall running experience and make it fun. The app uses GPS technology to accurately track your runs, recording essential data like distance, pace, route, elevation, speed, and heart rate. Nike Run Club offers various pre-designed training plans for different goals, such as running at 5K, 10K, half marathon, or marathon. These plans are designed by professional coaches and tailored to different fitness levels. The app provides guided runs with audio feedback from professional athletes, coaches, or celebrities, which can be motivating and entertaining during your workouts, especially if you are a beginner and you don't like running alone. The app also adds a social aspect to it. Users can participate in challenges to complete with friends or other Nike Run Club users, encouraging a sense of community and friendly competition. The app awards you with badges and achievements for completing certain milestones or challenges, providing an extra layer of motivation and gamification. There are several running milestones: yellow, orange, green, violet, black, and gold. I already achieved the black level. The Nike Run Club goes beyond a simple run tracking app because it offers you a true community of runners. The app is specially optimized and designed to work with Apple Watch, making it easy to track runs without carrying your phone. Now, let's have a closer look on the Apple Watch itself. The Nike Run Club uses the Apple Watch's built-in GPS to accurately track your running distance, pace, heart rate, elevation, and other essential metrics without the need to carry your iPhone during your run. It's so cool to just leave your iPhone at home, take your AirPods, and simply enjoy the run without being disturbed by useless notifications and messages. On the Apple Watch, users can access pre-designed training plans for various running goals, such as distance-based, half marathon, marathon, or time-based goals, same as on your iPhone. These plans are curated by professional coaches and can be customized to fit your fitness level and schedule. Same as on your iPhone, the Apple Watch app provides audio-guided runs led by professional athletes, coaches, or celebrities. There are a whole bunch of them. You just have to try these guided runs. It's really interesting and very motivating. Guided runs are divided into several categories: Get Started Collection, Mindful Running Pack, Short Runs, Long Runs, Speed Runs, Distance-Based Runs, Treadmill Runs, and even Athlete Stories. You will definitely like the guided runs. Just try it. Just do it, as says Nike. To start a new run on your Apple Watch, simply press this giant start button. You can also set a specific goal like distance, duration, speed, or match your previous run. You can customize the metrics you see on your Apple Watch during your run, such as elapsed time, distance, pace, heart rate, and speed. This allows you to have the most relevant information for your specific goal easily accessible and visible during your runs. There is one main big metric, the most visible, and two secondary metrics. I like, for example, to focus on my heart rate and burned calories. The app uses the Apple Watch's heart rate sensor to track your heart rate throughout the run, providing insights into your performance and intensity. If you have an Apple Music subscription, you can seamlessly integrate your Apple Music playlist into the app, making it easy to listen to your favorite songs while running. Just swipe to the right and you will see your music player. You can also listen to your favorite podcasts or audiobooks if you wish so. The Nike Run Club syncs data with Apple's Health app, allowing you to have a comprehensive view of your fitness and activity data in one place. After finishing your run, you'll be able to check detailed statistics regarding your run, such as distance, speed, heart rate, etc. You can compare your results from previous months and see your progress. Once you'll be back home, your running data will be automatically synced to your Nike Run Club app and Apple Health app on your iPhone. The app can be used for both indoor and outdoor runs. Nike Run Club also offers various custom watch faces and complications, allowing you to quickly launch the app or view your daily goal progress directly on the watch face. As I mentioned before, Nike's Run app offers a variety of guided runs, ranging from the easiest beginner-style runs to heavy-duty. But in my case, the magic comes down not just from the program, but the person behind the guidance. My favorite trainer is Nike head running coach Chris Bennett. Coach Bennett app-based training delivers a lot of wisdom, positivity and motivation. Using his guided runs helped me to push myself a bit harder than I normally would have, in ways that I hadn't done in the past.
You press start and you're running. That's the hard part. Well, that was the hard part. And you're past that. But that means that now we need to keep going, because we're on to the next hard part, which just happens to be what I just said, that we need to keep on running part. I'm Coach Bennett, the Nike Running Global Head Coach. And you, well, you're a runner that doesn't want to run right now.
I never met Coach Bennett in real life, but I consider him as my real coach. I was running with him in the rain, in winter, on hot summer days. I learned so many things about running thanks to his advice and motivational speeches. There are plenty of run tracking apps for the Apple Watch and iPhone. Some are free, some are paid. Nike's app is completely free and it makes it a great value. Running is the cheapest and the most affordable sport available for everyone who has at least a pair of shoes and an Apple Watch. I'm kidding, you don't even need to have an Apple Watch to start running, but it's nice to track your metrics and see the progress. No matter what metrics it tracks or feature it offers, any fitness app is worth only if you like using it. Luckily, Nike didn't cheap out on the development of their running app, and the Nike Run Club works like a Swiss watch. The app has an easy and intuitive user interface that makes starting runs easy. The app also offers the ability to set up training plans for a wide variety of cardio challenges, from simply getting started running to a full marathon challenge. You can add friends to your virtual team, allowing you to virtually run together. And of course, it tracks your runs, so you can keep track of your progress and see your evolution as a runner. Of course, some people might argue that by getting you more into running and by creating a positive association with Nike brand, you'll be more willing to purchase Nike products. So using this app will make you more likely to choose their running shoes and other jogging fitness stuff over competitors. And yes, over the years, I bought a lot of Nike products, really a lot. Still, at the end of the day, any product or technology that helps you perform better and achieve your goals is definitely a good thing. And Nike Run Club is one of these technologies. It helped me to start running, and it motivated me to continue over the years, and it helps me now to get better every day. And since it's free, well, there is really zero reason not to give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech-oriented content. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel as well. See you later on YouTube. Bye bye.
Hey, it's Mo Farah. Nice run. If you keep this up, I'm gonna start watching my back for real.